Mushtaq Ahmad Maghre, also known as Mushtaq Pahalgami, born 1981, is a social activist, environmentalist and founder and president of Himalayan Welfare Organization. He hails from Pahalgam town of Anantnag of Jammu and Kashmir. He was honored with international and national awards from the different government and non-profit organizations working for the cause of education, public health and environmental conservation in Jammu and Kashmir. Pahalgami and his organization is also one of the earliest promoters of Green Trek in the region with the purpose of inculcating environmental social responsibility and a sense of moral social duty among the youth, and has been raising his voice against the encroachment of wildlife areas by influential people in the state. Career Mushtaq Pahalgami has worked closely with many other environmental and social activists in the region. Pahalgami is founder and president of the NGO Himalayan Welfare Organization. Pahalgam, HWO, committed to service in the areas of healthcare, environmental protection and conservation, tourism, education, poverty reduction and alleviation human rights, and preservation of the famous Koloi Glacier, Thajiwas Glacier, Lidar and Sindh rivers. Pahalgami also works with trade unions and social organizations like President at Pahalgam Hotel and Guest House Association, founder member of Pahalgam Travel and Tour Operators Union, founder member of Pahalgam Tent Union, founder member of Adventure Tour Operators Association Pahalgam. He and his team at HWO are known in the region for organizing free medical camps, educational conferences, environment preservation and awareness programs, seminars and symposiums about the right to information, public education and healthcare, drug addiction, animal rights, sanitation and hygiene, environmental conservation apart from flood relief operations, natural calamities etc. in the state. Pahalgami has campaigned for environmental conservation in the Himalayan region, particularly in and around Pahalgam, compelling exploitative forest, timber and land interests to retreat from most parts of the region through a long and sustained legal battle and RTI crusade against illegal occupation of forest land, hunting of wild animals, felling of trees and smuggling of timber. HWO has also organized over hundreds of camps and information campaigns to promote and ensure conservation of the natural ecosystems of the Lidar and Sindh rivers as well as the Koloi and Thajiwas Glacier. Social campaigns. Pahalgami and his team at the HWO have filed hundreds of Right to Information Act RTI and Public Service Guarantee Act PSGA applications and cases, particularly concerning land grabbing, illegal construction and illegal land use in and around Pahalgam. Ensuring implementation of the J&K High Court orders staying all kinds of commercial constructions and illegal traffic movement in the region. This has resulted in positive interventions and more than hundreds of notices served in various cases to the Department of Social Welfare, Ministry of Tourism, Department of Education, Department of Consumer Affairs, Department of Public Distribution, Rural Development, Ministry of Environment, Forest Department, Integrated Child Development Project, and State Assembly Secretariat, among others. Mushtaq Pahalgami's sustained efforts at inculcating a culture of rational critique and inquiry among the youth have also strengthened the citizens' movement in the region. His persistent efforts in questioning the state machineries and efficacy has given much-needed impetus to the state's anti-corruption movement. Pahalgami has been pursuing the welfare of his local environment in his capacities and has been vocal about the encroachment of forests by hotels and resorts and the rising pressure on wildlife. sometimes bearing physical assault pain for his, but he is not retreating from his good intentions. Yet organizing cleanup treks against the use of plastic in his region, he has been proactive in guiding the public attention towards a sustainable maintenance of the tourist spots in the area, and has raised the issues pertaining to the upkeep of tourist sites, like the inconvenience caused by the defunct street lights to tourists in night hours, unsettling of debris caused by burning of 3 buildings since 14 years, negligence towards significant water leakages in the area, etc. Inqilab Zindabad.